In this video, we will perform basic operations with rational numbers. To perform basic operations with rational numbers, determine the indicated operations and then apply the appropriate rules for signed numbers and for rational numbers. For this example, we'll perform the indicated operations. Negative 3/4 plus 3, negative 3 over 4 plus 3 over negative 8 is equal to negative 3/4 minus 3/8, which is negative 6/8 minus 3/8, which is negative 9/8, or negative 1 1/8. For B, negative 3/7 minus negative 5/7 is negative 3/7 plus 5/7, which is 2/7. For C, negative 4/5 times 3 over negative 7 is negative 4/5 times negative 3/7. They're both negative, so the solution will be positive. That's 4/5 times 3/7, which is 12/35. In D, we have negative 2/3, or negative 2 over 3, raised to the third power. And I've changed that to negative 2/3 to the third power. And I just write out negative 2/3 times negative 2/3 times negative 2/3. Or we can change that to negative 2/3 over 3 to the third over 3 to the third. And that's negative 8 over 27. Again, we're going to perform indicated operations here. We're not writing them out so explicitly now. Add negative 5.32 and negative 3.84. Well, that's negative 5.32 plus negative 3.24, but we can change that sign and make this negative 5.32 minus 3.24. So that's the same as negative 5.32 plus 3.24, or negative 8.56. Subtract negative 3.7 from 8.5. That's 8.5 minus negative 3.7, but then I can just change that negative 3.7 to a positive 3.7. So that's 8.5 plus 3.7, and that's 12.2. Third, we are asked to multiply 3.91 and negative 7.1. We've got one negative factor, so there's going to be a negative product. And I'm just going to multiply things out. 3.91 times 7.91 is 0.391 plus 27.370. I add those together and stick a negative out front. Negative 27.761. Our final problem has us dividing negative 1.2 by negative 0.4. They're both negative, so we're going to have a positive quotient. And as we do, we move things one decimal place so that our divisor is a whole number. So this is 12 divided by 4, which is 3.